Namaste Gurukulian, welcome back. Part 2 Physiology and Injury in Sports, Chapter 7 Physical Education. Last part we completed the physiological factor determining the strength, or in this part we will do the speed. Things are written on the board. Reason behind this, I make a video, but that video made by phone, that was a blur, totally blur, nothing was visible on the board, so I deleted that. Again I am going to make it. So physiological factor determining the speed. Dear student, speed related to our muscular system. Second hand we can say it is related to our nervous system. Okay, because order came from the nervous system. In our nervous system divided in two part, central nervous system, in that our brain also having a 3 part, and then spinal cord. Or other hand, peripheral nervous system, where we will found autonomous nervous system. Main thing, receptor, motor nerve or effector. 3 things are there in our nervous system. Receptor are the, we can say, when we are touching the thing, a message go toward our spinal cord, or from spinal cord with motor nerves it go to our brain that I am touching the board. Means it give a sense what thing a individual is touching through hand. Here sense organs are work. Sense organs means eyes, nose, ear, skin, tongue. Okay, 5 sense organs are there. So determining speed, first factor is there, mobility of the nervous system. Mobility of nervous system, here is talking about the mobility of impulses in our muscles, because our muscular system having a nervous system units, means it is attached with our nervous system. Order came from our nervous system, or then our muscles respond. If that mobility is good, so automatically speed should be good. If the mobility is not good, then we can identify it as a disorder or disability, because our body responding very late. What is the stimulus in front of us? Receptor, motor nerve or effector. Mobility of nervous system. If mobility of nervous system is good, what we are observing outside, what is demand from outside, our body is responding according to the demand or in very fast way, so automatically speed is very good, or which is totally depend on the mobility of the nervous system. Second one is the muscle composition. We know 2 type of fibers are existing in our body. One is fast twitch fiber, second one is slow twitch fiber. Fast twitch fiber is having white color fiber, or slow twitch fiber are known as the red twitch fiber. Oxygenate blood is more in slow twitch fiber, or fast twitch fiber whitish one, so oxygenate blood is less. But both fiber are existing in all individual, but one thing matter, which fibers are in higher percentage in the body. Okay, if slow twitch fibers are more than fast twitch one, so slow twitch one, it means the individual can do work for long time with less strength. But if a fast twitch fibers are there, then they can work for minimum time with higher level of the strength. So those are having a slow twitch fiber, they can go for the endurance sports, or those are having a fast twitch fiber, they can go for the short distance races. So muscle composition also matters. Slow twitch fiber is there, automatically speed is good. Fast twitch fiber, so automatically speed is not good. Explosive strength. Explosive strength is the combination of maximum strength and speed, or it is related with the nervous system also, it is related with the muscle composition also. Okay, एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ नोन एज द एक्सप्लोजन, लाइक अ ब्लास्ट, जैसे एक बॉम्ब फटता है इसी तरह से एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ व्हेन वी आर थ्रोइंग अ शॉट पुट, व्हेन वी आर थ्रोइंग अ javelin throw, when we are throwing a we can say discus throw, when we are going to do a high jump, long jump, or when we are going to start a 100 meter or 200 meter race, on that time explosive strength is required. But that strength, that movement of the joint, movement of the body must be in higher level of speed. Higher level of speed. Fourth one is flexibility, range of the joint. If flexibility is good, automatically a individual produce more strength or in fast way. One example I given to you in last video that it is a 100-meter race. If we talk about the speed, we can divide in three parts. First one is reaction speed, second one is acceleration speed, third one is the speed endurance. Reaction speed, after watch the smoke, or we can say listen the sound, then we react, it is known as the reaction speed. But to achieve the acceleration speed means higher level of speed, every individual having a different level of speed. To achieve our maximum level, we require a distance, or after achieve the maximum level of speed, for how much time we can continue our maximum level of speed, that is known as the speed endurance. So that example I put here. Suppose I am going to throw a ball, it is a point, I have a ball, or if I take this, or it is the releasing point, here I will release the ball, or from here I will start from till there, my joint, my arm will not get full speed or full strength, it will take more distance. So that's why if range of joint is high, so automatically individual produce more strength or more speed. We can take an example of bowler also. If we throw ball from here to there, only this section, not much faster ball we can bowl to the batsman. But if we take full action, full range of joint, so automatically the ball which we are throwing will go toward the batsman in high speed. Okay, you know that Akhtar, different action. Here we know the Malinga from Sri Lanka, they are fast bowlers. Okay, fifth one is biochemical reserve and metabolic power. We know when our muscles are working, so ATP and CP are producing the energy in our muscle. ATP adenosine triphosphate, or CP is creatine phosphate, or one thing glycogen is the part of ATP or CP, or we can say CP and ATP is the part of glycogen. Okay, these are the responsible to produce energy in our muscle, through which we can work, we can perform any activity. If that ATP, CP, or we can say glycogen is reserved in our muscle to produce immediate energy in the muscle for limited time, because after some time lactic acid increase in our muscle, cause of that we feel fatigue or we feel pain in our muscle. So these two things are also responsible for the speed. If these are in reserve, so in immediate reaction our muscle will perform well. Okay, immediate reaction means reaction ability. Reaction ability if we are talking about, it is related to the speed, कि कितनी स्पीड में हम रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, और it is depend on the ATP and CP. That's why these 5 points are there. Metabolic nervous system, mobility of nervous system means impulses का move किस level, किस हद तक हो रहा है muscles के अंदर, because muscles are attached with nervous units. Order came from our nervous system, or then our muscle respond. Muscle composition, slow twitch fiber, fast twitch fiber, red twitch fiber or white twitch fiber, which fibers are in high percentage in our body, depend on this. Explosive strength, combination of maximum strength and speed, flexibility, range of movement, or last one is biochemical reserve and metabolic power. So for this part, this much. We'll see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.